How to add a subscribe button watermark to all of your videos in YouTube. So hey guys, if you also want to add a subscribe button watermark for your YouTube videos, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing we need to do is open up our YouTube studio. So since currently I am in my web browser, what I'm gonna do is simply click onto my profile picture and from here choose YouTube studio. Now this will fire up my YouTube studio. Now the next thing we're going to do is head on to the customization option at the left. Once you're inside the customization, you need to scroll down and you will see this option of video watermark. So a video watermark could be anything, either your brand logo, the channel logo, or even a subscribe button as well. So for this operation, you will need to require to have a subscribe button logo. You can download the logo with a transparent format from any websites out there onto the internet. So once you have downloaded such file, which will look like this. So if I'll show you from my end, I have this particular file downloaded right here, which is of a subscribe button with a transparent background. So let's close this and try to add it onto our YouTube channel. Then once you have found the video watermark option, click onto this upload button and then choose the file that you want to add. So here you can see that once I have added the file, it will ask me to reposition this particular image. And once you are done with the repositioning, simply click onto this done button. And once that will be done, here you can see that the subscribe button image is currently being showed at this place. So once all of that is done, you may continue by clicking onto this publish button at the top. Once that will be done, from now on your videos will have this particular watermark of a subscribe button. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.